So let's move straight to how you can secure your account and do a little bit of two-step verification for your account. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings under YouTube Studio. When you click on settings, you wait for it to open and it takes you to what you want to do next, and here we are waiting for it. So it takes us here where you are going to be doing your settings. Now you want to do basic information, country of residence. Now you want to click your country of residence is where? Nigeria. You have advanced settings. Then it says simplify your workflow, blah 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 blah. But this is where you are getting to. Feature eligibility. Yes. Standard feature is enabled already. So intermediate feature, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails and live streaming. You want to make it work, so you click here and you verify your phone number, right? Then this also advanced features, increase daily video uploads and live stream. For you to be eligible, you also come here and it can also ask for other things like intermediate features enabled, video notification, valid ID, channel history, access features, appealing content ID claims, all of those things. So but first of all, fix this before you are able to move to advanced features. This is second thing is very important, so you click on save. So that's how you secure your account, right? So that one is done. So let's move on to the next one, which is uploading of your videos.